We'll see today. We use that one. I think that should be okay. It's close enough to the. Oh, you know what? You can't put that thing now. Otherwise, we're gonna have a big ojo on the cabinet because it's already angled. Maybe welding after we install the
cabinet.
Yeah, then you have a small hole because if you angle already, oh, I don't know how you're gonna enter the turbo. I think that one is we're gonna wrap like that for now, and later welding inside. It's a little bit small now, but if you put this one now, maybe we can weld this one, then weld this one later. Comprende?
Yeah.
You can connect that one now when the inspector asks us. Do you need a Teflon?
Yeah.
But just put it now. Maybe the inspector coming later. We're gonna do it. Put it now because 10 o'clock he said. If they're asking why you didn't weld this one, no. We're gonna weld this one, and we're gonna mount it. Weld this one first, and then once we're welding, we just put it in over there. They're gonna ask, hey, why didn't you weld it yet? Well, we're gonna make a hole first, and then we can later on welding. Where is the impact? To clean up this one. Where? Give me the impact. Over. And you liha that one. You ready liha that one? You liha already?
Yeah, this one is.
But no entra, no? La 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 la. Yeah, Ringo. Hold on. Yeah, we're gonna weld that one, and later on, once the cabinet installed, welding after. Then the ojo, not like this. Because you add this one, it's gonna be about 4 inches more extra angular. Now it's okay, maybe 2.5. To put a sight in at the same time,
No.
you put it in.
See, because this one bending.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Maybe put a to make it straight. We'll put this one outside. We have a room. Falta mucho over there, that's all.